Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I've altered some of the ephemera, a couple of pieces in my latest journal, which is a grungy, sort of a light grungy type of journal, and I'll just be showing you the process that I went through, sort of a craft along in a sense. But before I get started, I wanted to just point out for a minute the new additions to my Ko-Fi shop. And these are ones that I have done before, and I'm just closing out my old link to my freebies and slowly uploading them into my Ko-Fi. This was a couple years ago, so if you have just recently joined, you may not have seen these. And along with this digital is a video that shows how I used this frame on the cover of one of my journals, just to give you some ideas on that. There's actually a series of a Poe journal that I created, and a series on how I went about doing that. So you might be interested. Go to, if you want to see the demonstration, then go to the 9-minute marker on that particular video that goes along with this download. I also have uploaded these little fall stickers. It'll come to you with a sheet, an 8 by 11 inch sheet, but I reduced mine down to a 5 by 7 in my my printer that prints photos. It offers a 5 by 7, and then for me the reduced rate is probably one I'll use more often, but you know, it's there for you to reduce or use as is. I have shaded the background just a little bit, slightly, so that when you cut out it won't be quite, that stark white won't show up quite as won't show up, so I don't know. For me, I think my cutting looks much more even when I have sort of a shaded background. Anyways, those are there for you. These were a year ago, and you know, you can use them in your uh, fall projects or whatever you got. So let's get started with a couple pieces of ephemera. It's not a very long video. It's just something for you to sit back with and enjoy. I have put music to it, and I've sped up how I did the process. So we will see you next time.